Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing for you. This was sent to me from RoWood, and if you've been following me, you know that I do miniature dollhouse kits, and they had sent me a kit back a couple months ago that I just finished and stuck on here for everybody to watch me put together. And it was a small coffee shop. And I will put the link to that video in the description box of this video so that if you missed it, you can go back and watch it. So for thank you of me doing that, they sent me this kit to also show to y'all. And I'm going to try to do this one on video also and put this one on here for y'all to see. So this is the wooden flower bouquet, and I've not even opened it. I'm very excited to see what this is going to be like. I've seen a video, you know, like their little commercial videos that they do of this, and it seems really neat. I don't know if it's going to be a hard one or an easy one to do. I'm not real sure. But this is Flower Bouquet, and it says, spend some time for love and flowers to indulge in a cozy and leisure life. And it's just, it's a wooden kit. It says there's 581 pieces for 8 years and over, and it's got sunflower, lilac, eucalyptus, pink rose, and a red what does that say? Camilla. That's what's in the bouquet. So this is another view of it. This is, you can wrap it this way or this way. There's two different ways that you can wrap it. And then here's these that they show. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And I will leave a link to this in my description box so that you can check this out for yourself. So in the box, ooh, wow, okay. In the box, it is got this pamphlet in here, and this is what's going to show us how to do this. This is our instructions. So this is really neat. This is going to be a first for me. I've done the houses and stuff, but I've never done anything quite like this. So we have got all of these different ones. It even has a little piece of sandpaper in there because this is, again, wooden. And it has the instructions for each one, each piece in with it. Let's see. So this is the lilac. This is the sunflower, the eucalyptus. Here's the little container that it's going to go in. Here's the Camilla, the red Camilla. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And then the pink rose. Then we have some tissue. And then we have some wrap. 2 large things of wrap. And then we have this greenery to go with it. We've got this greenery. We have got some ribbon and some greenery here. This is neat. Is that all that's in the box? Yes. So this is going to be really, really cool. I'm excited to try this because, like I said, I've done kits that turn into houses, but I've never done a kit that has turned into a flower. But look at all the pieces. And you shouldn't need glue, I don't think. Some of them say that they don't need glue. Some do. Let's see what this says. So this just shows all the items that are in it. And it should, well, no. You shouldn't need any glue, as far as I can see. Because it'll say, you know, items not included that, you know, you need to go get yourself. And usually it'll have like a picture of a glue bottle or whatever. But this one does not say anything. So, but you can see they have got the Facebook. They have got their .com. So this is really going to be fun. This is going to be really, really fun. So yeah, I'm not seeing anything about glue. But isn't that cool? So this is the red camellia. Look at the petals. And they're just going to snap together. The eucalyptus. Look at the leaves. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Yeah, I will definitely do this in a video. And then that way you can watch what I'm doing and you can see how it all comes together. So this is neat. So I just want to say thank you to RoWood because they have been really, really, really nice to me for sending me these kits to do and to show y'all. So I just want to say thank you to them for sending these to me. I will leave a link for this in my description box and just stay tuned for a video on me putting these together. So until then, I hope you all have a great day and I will see you later. Bye, y'all.